Hi my loves, welcome to my channel. If you're new, I'm Sindhu. In today's video, I'm going to let you in on my life. Yes, life got really real last month. Last month meaning like in February and March, everyone at home got sick and I got food poisoning. My kids had stomach flu and everything was happening. The house got totally messed up. The reason it got messed up is because when you're sick, your priority is not like keeping your house really clean or anything like that, but to take care of your family members and make sure you feel good. That's what I did, and this is how my kids play area turned into. So in this video I'm just like cleaning it. While cleaning, I'm going to share about life and stuff and all that. So if you like seeing these cleaning videos and stuff, please let me know in the comment section, because I recorded this video in the mid-March, but I didn't feel like posting it. The reason being, I thought it's not going to be really something that my audience would like. But I'm trying. If you like to watch videos of me cleaning, my cleaning system, and like how I go through things, and I promise my house doesn't look like this all the time. I do have like cleaning system and things at place. Give a thumbs up for this video so I will know for sure. So what I'm doing here is I'm just picking up everything that's on the floor and making sure to put them in its right place. Right now I'm just like gathering and making it be in a certain place, so at the end of the cleaning I can like put everything in its right place. You can see there are lots of craft things like paper cuttings and stuff, because my older daughter loves to do crafts. This Amazon box that you see is one of the things that has been kept there for a very long time. I kept it there to make sure that bookshelf like doesn't fall off, but honestly the bookshelf holds itself. It is really okay. So there are like 2 bags of clothes to donate. That's not my clothes, that's my cousin and his wife's clothes. They gave it to us to donate it. I didn't get a chance to donate because of COVID and situation. I couldn't donate it. That's why it was there. Now I'm going to take it out and make a decision on where to donate, and find out if still they are like taking clothing donation and stuff, because of COVID they were not taking clothes as donations. So I'm going to get rid of that box because it's all like broken. My girls were like stepping on it and everything. It got broke. So I'm going to throw that box and find out what I'm going to do. And you can also see there are like sweaters and like jackets here. My kids come into my room, pick things, they would take to the playroom. Usually every couple of days or something I will find what that doesn't belong in the playroom and put it back. But everything is here now, so you'll see some random stuffs coming out of the playroom that doesn't belong in a playroom. Now I have like dumped all their toys so I can categorize them. I usually have them categorized like princess dolls and stuff, and miscellaneous, and like the cooking play stuff and stuff. So I'm going to say a lot of stuff in this video. I'm sorry, please like bear with me. And you can see I'm just like sorting it out. Kids toys, most of these toys I have not bought them. Most of these are like gifts they received or like hand-me-downs. I don't buy too many toys for my kids, because you see, even when I don't buy too many toys, there are like so many. I kind of want to say, if my kids are like going, kids go through phases. My daughter had the Elsa phase. Now she's into like she's in kindergarten, so she's like learning new things and new trends and all that. But I don't really buy all those new trendy things. I know what she really likes. Like nowadays she's into crafts, like I said. So I give her like papers and boxes. She makes like things out of it. One thing I always do is like try to keep their creativity going by not providing them exactly what they want. So if she wants to build a block or something like that using Legos, I would like give her a box and play scissors and stuff. She's good with scissors. Here in the US, they train kids to use scissors when they are very young. Like they have kids scissors that they can use. So she would use those scissors and like build buildings and all that. She loves doing that. If I would have given her just Legos, she would only fix it and make blocks with it. Now she does so many things with just an Amazon carts and things. Those box she uses and makes really good things. That you can see few of the cartons, like milk cartons and stuff in the back when I'm cleaning. It's because she is using it to make crafts. So that's what one thing that I do. And yeah, even the kitchen, you see, the play kitchen that we got in the Facebook marketplace, it was $25. I think I got it for $30 or $25. I don't really remember. It's with me and my kids for mostly like 4 years now, and it's still really in good condition. It's like not even second hand, it's third hand. Still, it's really nice. I cleaned it very well, and my kids love to play with that. And it came with all the toys that belongs to that also, so it was a good steal. And yeah, it's really good. The real price of it was $170 or something like that. And you see, within like minutes in this video, I have cleaned it, but it took me like 45 minutes or something to just organize it and make sure like it looked like this. So once I have picked all the toys and put it in its like boxes that I use to categorize, I'm just picking all the knickknacks and stuff to like, you know, throw away and stuff. And also one thing I never do and never I will do is throw away something that belongs to my daughter without like letting her know. Because, you know, when we were kids, our grandparents or parents would have like taken something, a piece of paper or something that they thought it's not like a necessary thing that needs to be there, and thrown it out. We would have been really upset. I bet you will have an experience like that. I don't want to give her that experience. That is the only reason I do this. Even if it's a silly little paper, I would ask her permission before I throw it. I would ask her if she needs to keep it or like, can I throw it? And she would definitely let me know if she wants it. And if not, she would just say, oh, you can throw it away. And if she says that she needs that paper, I would say, you have a place for it. You have to keep it there. You can't like throw it everywhere. It's going to make our home messy. It's our responsibility to keep our house like at least tidy. And she definitely understands. She's just a 6-year-old, but you know, for sure kids understand a lot more than we think they do. She definitely doesn't like keep it so neat and clean, but for a 6-year-old, she does a good job. I should appreciate her for that. And yeah, you know, with 2 kids, things get messy, and I help her. And not every day it's like this. She would like clean up after playing, but you know how kids clean up. I would of course like help her. If she can clean up, I would like finish cleaning it up, and you know, that's how it works here. And yeah, I have finished like almost cleaning and vacuuming the carpet, so now it's really ready. And today I'm not like cleaning the bookshelf or like rearranging or arranging the books. My priority was to make sure they have a place to play. When it's that messy, my kids won't even step in there. They would come, take out the toys, play, and like when it's that messy, they didn't even step in there. So now they have a place to play, sit, and you know, have that sister bonding and stuff. So yeah, once I've done that, I've like vacuumed, and it looks really clean and neat. It definitely gives me a real satisfaction when I look into it. This cheetah print blanket was the very first blanket that I bought when I came to US, and it's very soft and it feels really good. Now my kids have this. We had a play tent where I'm like placing the blanket. It broke, so we threw it away, and I don't know whether I'm going to buy a tent or like I'm going to make a tent. I thought in the springtime I will make a tent for them, but I'm not sure. Let's see if I do it or not. And this is the pink one, you know, that is a sleeping bag. I bought it for my niece when they were in the US. So when they were like going back, they couldn't like take it to India, so she left it for my kids to use. So I like arranged it like a little bed for them to play. Now it's time to clean the table. This is a table from IKEA. My kids like sit here and like draw, do crafts, use glue, paint and everything. They make sure I get the return on investment from this table. They use it like real good. I'm really happy that we have this table, because you can see there are like glue marks, sketch marks, paint marks, every possible marks is there. So definitely not food marks, because I don't let them eat food there. So yeah, you can see how messy it is. How I clean the table is usually I dust off with a towel just like you saw. I dust it off and use a magic eraser to take out the glue, the color and everything. You can see how well the magic eraser like takes out the color. Once I'm done with the magic eraser, I will also use my homemade cleaner to clean it, because you know magic eraser has like chemicals in it. So I make sure I clean the magic eraser stain off of the table before I let my kids use it. You can see I wet the magic eraser and I'm like scrubbing over it. It's not really, you know, easy, but you need to like push it hard, not so hard, a little hard. Once you do that, it's going to make your table look really clean. I'm using a cleaning cloth to take away the watermarks, the colors, you know, when it dissolves you need to take it off so it gets really cleaned up. So you can see that I actually washed the magic eraser like twice or thrice when I was using it. You can see it removes all the stains very clearly. Not just on this table, I use it on my wall, because you know sometimes my daughter, not my older daughter but my younger daughter who's like 2, she would like scribble on the wall, so I use it to remove that, and it usually removes all the stains. Even on the countertop, sink, anywhere you have stains, you can use the magic eraser. It really works well when it comes to removing stains and stuff. So yeah, you can see I actually threw away the old one because I've been using it for quite some time, and I took a new one because the old one got really messed up. So now again I used my homemade cleaner. I didn't show the clip, I don't know, the clip was missing, me spraying the homemade cleaner. And yeah, it's clean and ready to use. I'm putting back all the stuff they have, you know, the pencils, crayons and stuff they like to have on the desk. So I put it there, and now you can see the table is really clean and good. Oh yeah, it looks refreshing. Already they are ready to play in there. All this time, me and my younger daughter were the 2 persons in the house. My husband took my older daughter out. So as soon as I finished, not as soon as I finished, before few minutes of finishing the cleaning, my daughter came home. She was really happy to see it. She told me lots of thanks, and yeah, you can see it is really satisfying to see how clean it looks after it being that messy. So did you like seeing me clean up my space? Let me know in the comment section how you liked it. Also give a thumbs up to this video so I know that you like watching these videos, and I will make sure you will get a better video next time, not just something like this, but much better video. So yeah, it's not perfect, but you know, I'm not aiming for perfection. I'm aiming for like progression. So my house looks really better right now after I cleaned up most of the places. I will be like cleaning, decluttering and reorganizing my beauty room. I will record it and share it with you soon. I hope you liked the different video from me. I'll catch you in my next video. Until then, be kind to one another. Bye bye with Love, Sindhu.